Hello everyone, welcome to another session of our DIY Doodle Art course, and today we'll see how to doodle blooms. There are different ways to doing this. Stay with me as I show you a favorite style of mine. Doodling blooms is something I enjoy a lot, and for this there are no limits to what you can do. Explore making use of almost everything you learned from the previous videos about vines, leaves, flowers, shapes and lines and other patterns. I'm using 3 to 4 flower types and leaf types for this doodle. And here, I'm not going to add colors because I love black and white blooms. I hope that you all loved the episode. Stay tuned to What's Your Hobby.